I'm Jason Hale with New Haven Adams Township Fire Department. Our training program in general consists of training at least twice a month. Trainings usually last about 2 to 3 hours depending on the actual training. Some classroom, some hands-on, some are both. This past week here we did our annual Haz Mat training. It's required, and we actually got a trailer from the state. The Indiana Department of Homeland Security supplied us with a special trailer they had designed. It has all kinds of hazardous materials, tools and kits and simulations involved with it that we can train with. This week we started in the classroom and went over our emergency response guides that are carried on all the trucks, and that gives us the guide numbers and the information that of the goods that are carried on some of the vehicles across the country and across our roads. It gives us the what we're supposed to do if there's a spill. It gives us a reference point of how to attack this hazardous materials incident. It has the different types of evacuation areas that you should do for the different chemicals that we could be involved with, what type of protection we would need, and the different phone numbers we could call to get more information on a certain chemical. After that, we moved outside to the state trailer, and we had 4 or 5 different scenarios set up of different things that we could actually run across in our city here and in our coverage area, including a possible chemical spill at one of our factories, a possible electrical fire, and even a possible gas leak at one of our local businesses, and just different ways to deal with these issues and how to even shut off like the gas meters for our members to refresh their memory, how to shut power off, and how to do these things safely. Just general refresher for us.
Going over Haz Mat, and it's really important for us to go over at least once a year. Just a refresher for all the guys, that way they know they can look through this ERG book, they can look up the book, they can look up chemicals. Going over the equipment that we use for Haz Mat is always a good thing because we don't do it a lot. So once a year it's good to go through the trucks and see what we've got and what we don't have. And then going through scenarios also, actually getting some hands-on training with some make-believe scenarios that, you know, when it really is a hazmat situation, you can think back and actually have something to remember that you're training. So Josh Hale is the captain of the fire training division, and my name is Captain Barton. I'm the captain of the EMS training division. And for both sides, fire and EMS, it's really important for us to do this once a year. So between Josh and I, we do the lectures, and then we instruct the hands-on as well, giving everybody an opportunity to do hands-on training.